My garden is full of courgettes, or is it zucchini? Today I'm cooking baked panko parmesan topped courgette zucchini peperonata. Hey everyone, how's it going? Good to see you. Things are going extremely well in my Worcestershire garden. These yellow globe courgettes are beautiful, and my money maker tomatoes, well, they'll be heading for my salad very, very soon. So welcome back to my channel, Chef Archie's Easy Recipes. And thanks for joining me for today's very simple video presentation. Courgettes from the garden and a few other simple ingredients. All the ingredients are in the description box below. Click on the word more and you'll get lots of key pointers and tips. Very simple. Let's get cracking, shall we? Here is my courgette I've just picked from the garden. I'm saying courgette because I'm from the UK. If you're from the USA, it's zucchini. I'm not sure what Canadians say. Do they say zucchini or courgette? Maybe you can let me know in the comments. I'm cutting my courgette into strips, trying to get them all reasonably uniform sized. And I just want to take out a little, about, I don't know, it's about a 1/2 inch strip of the seeds, because that's where the water comes from. I'm going to cut them into half strips. I'm just going to get myself a layer of extra virgin olive oil on my roasting tin and just put my row of courgettes there, ready for the topping. More extra virgin olive oil going in my pan, along with a finely chopped medium-sized onion. Now I'm putting a pinch of rosemary in out the garden, some fresh parsley out the garden, some Italian seasoning and some garlic. And I'm going to sweat that off for about 8 to 10 minutes until everything's nice and soft. Then I'm going to throw in a finely chopped red pepper. It's a sweet one. That's going to sweat off for another 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to throw in a glass of wine. We're going to reduce it till all the wine's disappeared and some of the moisture's remaining. Then we're going to add a chopped fresh tomato. I've removed the pips and the skin. It's entirely up to you if you want to leave it on. Sweat that off for a further couple of minutes before adding a very generous tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook that off for another 5 minutes, and that is pretty much ready. If we have a close-up of that, can you see? Still juicy, but not too wet. It's perfect for our topping. A little bit of Himalayan pink salt and pepper going in, and a tiny bit of sugar, about 1/2 teaspoon. Give that all a mix round, and it's pretty much ready as our topping. Now, this is with the easy bit. Completely smother those beautiful courgette sticks with this fabulous topping. This topping, by the way, is also perfect for your bruschetta. Absolutely amazing. I'm mixing my panko with my parmesan, and I'm just going to throw in a bit of pepper, mix it all up, and I'm going to scatter that all over my peperonata topping. Try and get it nicely even. We don't want one person to get more topping than the other, do we? We certainly don't. Once that's completely gone, I'm going to drizzle some more extra virgin oil over the top. This is a very Mediterranean speciality, this dish. One of my favorites. And that's going to go in the oven for about 25 minutes. And how about that? It's brown, it's crunchy, it's cheesy. Lots of fresh ingredients. It's healthy. It's a perfect side dish. It's a great main dish. It really is fabulous. It's my panko baked zucchini courgette peperonata, everybody. A great way of using up all those courgette zucchini in the garden. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope I've given you some inspiration to use up your garden produce. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, it's huge for us. Share our videos with your pals if you can, and drop me a line in the comments section below. How would you improve the recipe? And I love all the food stories you keep sending me about your childhood. They are so heartwarming. I'm going to get stuck in. I'll see you guys very soon.